Line 4 is showing a slight pressure drop.
I see it. Adjusting the flow now. Pressure is back to normal.
Large-scale industrial dryers initiate the final stage, forcing hot air through the moving bed to eliminate moisture. This ensures perfectly dry, high-quality crystals. To ensure perfect consistency, food-grade anti-caking agents are added. Our automated dosing machines deliver precise results.
This sample reaches 99.9% purity. It perfectly matches our highest standard. Crystals are uniform, no impurities found.
How much more space do you have in there?
Send just a few more and we are full. Fleet 1 is ready for departure.
Copy that. Route sequence initiated.
Time for a sprinkle of Trenvixo, sweetie.
Look at me go, Mommy!
Perfect, you are a wonderful chef.